What's going on, guys? So, coming to you today with a great trade in Square. Thank God I remembered to record. I forgot to record the past 2 days. Yesterday I had another amazing trade on Square around these same levels that I've drawn. I took the puts in this area and I was selling them as we were passing through, and I actually missed out on this whole downwards move here because this was my target. I'm still getting better at holding on to um, like a smaller position for an extended move and stuff like that. But that's why I've created a whole rule list. I can go over this in another video if people are interested. If you just let me know in the comments or something. I have like a risk per trade, like a daily hard stop, a max trades, position sizing, how many contracts, when to sell, my risk, my common patterns, my common errors to watch out for on emotion. Like there's a whole trading plan. So maybe I can go over that if you guys want in a different video. Just let me know. But other than that, we're gonna go over Square. So I'll tell you why I bought my contracts in this area, which again is the pre-market kind of midpoint or lows, but after hours highs of yesterday. So if I fast forward here, I can just show you the level. I know I zoom out somewhere. So yeah, right here, you can see. So I drew this level. First off, I drew this level here at 77.50 because it's a clear level in my eyes. So you can see it broke out through here, comes back and pulls back to that area. And then boom, we come up, we come back down. This is now a consolidation area. So another 77.50, like the $0.50 is a clear level in my eyes. And we come up, we pull back down on this little candle. And then boom, this is after hours. You can see by the lack of volume and the time that this is after hours here. And then pre-market yesterday, again, these are the divisions of the days, these lines. So pre-market yesterday, we couldn't get above it. So that was the clearest short I've ever seen in my life. So again, it's respecting this line. You take puts in this area, you sell them down here. Life is good. You make like 80+% on the position at least. And then again, I did it today. Now, if I had held on, that would have been like a 300% gainer, but I didn't really see the level in here. Sure, it came right down to 74, which was a nice spot. And if I had held on to more contracts, I would have been able to actually take advantage of it. But I didn't. So anyways, we came back up. We reclaimed the 76 level that is very clearly drawn here as the support from 2 days ago. And it was again respected yesterday, which was the target for yesterday after the entry being up here. So we come back up, we reclaim it, we climb a bit, and I thought if we had pre-market levels in this area, we would dip and then surge, but we opened a little bit higher here. So I was looking for a dip, but maybe in just the 76.50 area because this consolidation is right in here. Now this isn't the support, this is more of a pivot point right in here. You can see the consolidation line kind of go right through here to 76.50. So that's why I bought the contracts that I did. I bought 8 contracts at an average of 54 cents as we were in that area. You can you see down here? Oh no, my camera's in the way, but you can see my fills here. And I got these late. So there's actually an opportunity to get the fills in the low and mid 40s. But I didn't completely trust what it was going to do. I thought we were going to go lower. Now that was greed. So if I had a 48 average, I would have made over 100% easily on this, and I would have been able to take more contracts. But I'm following my plan, and that greed cost me a little bit of upside. But my risk reward was still there. Everything was still there. I was risking a max of about $50 to $60 to $70. And I made over 300. So beautiful risk reward. So let's get into it. So we're actually talking here live. I don't know if I'll
higher than that.
Maybe.
So.
Yeah, there's music playing and stuff, so I'm not going to go through that. But I'm in Discord with another guy, and we're just kind of talking ourselves through the trade. We're saying, okay, we're in the trade now. the point is now not to sell early. We see some decent gains here, right? Like that's nothing to be ashamed of at all, of course. But we don't have a target, and if you sell early, you will never make it as a trader. I'm just gonna come out there and say it. I've learned it the hard way. If you don't follow your plan, if you don't have a system, you don't have targets, and you sell early due to emotion, you're never gonna make it. So you have to wait for your targets. And my target was 78.40, and I was explaining that in the video. It was mostly because of this high right here that it was my target. So as we hit that target, I put out some orders. I think we can hear myself. There's some loud music playing, so again, maybe not.
We have to dip at some point, right?
Let's see what I say here.
The gas is already at 114.
Yeah, I'm putting my orders out. You can see my unrealized here. There, I got filled. We hit my target. Boom. Anyways, again, I'm not going to bore you with some of the live commentary, but what I did was I set a stop of my last 2 contracts of the 8 at break even, and if it was going to keep going, then it would keep going. But if it was either going to keep going to that target, or I was going to get stopped out. Sorry, my eye, there's something in my eye now. So overall, very, very happy with that trade. I ended up getting stopped out. I can't remember where I got stopped out. Somewhere here. Yeah, I got stopped out while I was looking at something else. Excuse me. Because Square came all the way back down from that target, back down to this level, was kind of consolidating, and eventually just kind of broke through it. So perfect trade on my part. That was a perfect trade. I followed my plan, and hopefully that helps some of you guys out. Maybe gives you an insight into how these options work. It's like a penny stock every day. Like I said, this thing went from these contracts even yesterday. They were at 20 cents. Today they went to a high of like $1.20. So there's some big gains to be had in options if you're very, very disciplined and you have a strategy. So with that, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, and have a great weekend.